Meanwhile, I make a whole paragraph for no reason.
Okay, well.
Get on stage.
Go! Dumb shit this way! Fucking go that way, you dumb fuck!
Damn, you're right.
Say your lines.
God damn, this bucket is really heavy.
Timmy, where did you go? Where'd you go with that bucket of V's cum mixed with a dick?
What the fuck? Is that
Timmy,
what this
no!
is?
Oh no, it's everywhere! The cum's everywhere! What have you done?
Look, I'm making art.
Here, give me that bucket. Give me that. Timmy, stop it! Bad Timmy! This is my cum and you know it! Anyway, Timmy, stop it! Timmy! It's bad enough that you broke into this house, but if we get caught with this V's cum mixed with a dick mess, we're screwed! How
Yeah,
am I
that sounds like a
supposed to
good
clean
action
this
in there,
up before
fuck.
the owners get here?
Screw
Dog,
you, say.
dog, get in! Dog, come on! If you got a real mess around the house after noise while wet round, and you got to see this. Dog, bring your fucking ass here now, you dumb shit.
That guy's gonna fucking bite me.
God, I did not know that I had a dog with small ass brain. Hi, Billy. Maze here with a double dog for mess around the dogs I ever seen in my entire life. Why are you twerking? Dog, what the fuck? I'm sorry, my dog's kind of fucked up in the line. Why do I see so
Dude,
much
it's
fucking
fucking
on the
dog.
ground? What the fuck?
This weird mucus trail.
Ew, what's wrong with that dog's mucus trail?
5 mucus trail. Double dog has a power and stench that heavily to lick and drink over 20 pounds of liquid from your floors. Fine on the carpet, hard on the store walkways. It doesn't matter. Double dog does it all. Well, lick the
Oh my god.
fucking dog. Fucking lick it. I'm not here for what you twerk. Goddamn. And this double dog
Stop
is attached to the V cum mix with a dick. Like mess. The fuck?
Oh,
Dumb
my
shit
eye.
like it. It doesn't matter. It's coffee, soda, even red wine. Watch out as the powerful tongue cleans some V's cum mixed and dick stain from out the carpet, and also the small boy in for only a few minutes.
Man,
And it won't last for a minute, that's for sure.
this dog smells weird. I
Uh,
can't say that.
Say it, no balls.
My lord.
I'm not
How
here for
does
watching my
one
dog to
dog
lick the cum and
absorb all that
waste my fucking
V's?
time.
How does a dog absorb all that V's cum mixed with a dick without paying? Bro, you know how much that you know how much time it took to make that lemonade? Hmm?
The secret is the XL27 dog technology making double dog over 27 times more absolutely than the original dog. Yes. Forget the towels and Bunsen. And I don't even think about fucking blank you bitch. hobbies after a long night of sex, drugs, and 20 centels using sin as a
Oh my.
pleasure dog, but was not like hate.
It's funny
Revenge,
that
please,
everyone knows exactly who
Oh,
keeps
please,
writing
I
those
don't
ones.
I want to see that. And
I
unlike
want to see
our
that.
Quotables, cleaning cats double dog is for perfect humans. Now you can clean truly and never leave any mind except for the original dog's face. Yeah, the dog's kind of fucked up in the, mine. Oh, flat face. And you know Pug's right? Yeah, he has that kind of problem.
Yo, hey Shoddy, the dog left a present.
Okay. An average family uses up 2 rolls of paper towel every week that cash in for trash. Save money and even help and save the Dizzy and fuck me. And I get a double dog today. Yes, the dog's dying of cancer. Please help him. And you get a regular double dog and plus one extra big, thick, giant double dog for only $14.99. But call right now and I sent you another extra giant double dog absolutely free. With the free double dogs, you can even have your double dog clean each other.
Man,
And in case some of them die and or run away, they're also matchy right mushrooms. Just throw them in a machine with your blows and save them.
where'd the dog go?
And shit stains.
Huh? No, you fucking weirdo. What the fuck?
Ah,
Do you want to see a
ow,
dog lick
dude.
shit up? No, well, that's fucking disgusting.
You put all the shit stains in the dishwasher because it's easier than cleaning it by hand.
I didn't put shit in there.
I mean, we put it all in there.
What?
That true?
Okay,
that?
then fucking weirdos, damn. And that's a 60 file all for just $14.99 plus shipping and flushes and butt. You gotta kill us now. I need to go now. My butt. Fuck.
Man, jeez, Louise, this is such a great deal. Can we keep them?
Well, only if you promise to clean after it.
Hey, man, there's something in my eye. You know what? You know what's in my eye?
Is it V-cum?
No, I think I have a level 10 Gaiat in my Riz.
Order now. Call 1-800-347-6563. That's 1-800-347-6563. Terms and conditions.
You are so lucky mine wasn't the primary one you had to read, or you would have had to read that a million times. You got lucky.
This product should not be used by anyone under any circumstances. See website for details and don't question anything. We will all become one with
Complete luck.
I would have had a stroke.
That would have been awesome.